Makhumalo brought a wig for Macele to wear at her wedding. Macele took a wig, but she knows that she doesn't like Makhumalo and she is going to cancel Makhumalo's wedding. Macele watched Makhumalo was spending her own money on that wedding. So Musamseleku knows that Macele doesn't want the wedding. But Macele didn't tell Makhumalo in time that wedding is not going to be happening. Macele have a conversation with Musamseleku to cancel the wedding. But Musamseleku didn't tell Makhumalo. Imagine, guys, those people are evil, the two of them. They watch Makhumalo spending her own money. Makhumalo ran a loss. At the dinner, Musamseleku was telling his family that they are going to have a wedding with Makhumalo. But Macele says that wedding is not going to be happen. Imagine, at the last time, Makhumalo was very disappointed. I saw her face that she was trying, but you can see Makhumalo is angry. But Makhumalo didn't complain or to do anything. Macele attended Mayeni's wedding. Macele allowed Mayeni and Musamseleku to renew their vows. Why she cancelled Makhumalo's wedding? Imagine how she hate Makhumalo in such a way. Makhumalo keep quiet. Even she ran a loss, guys. Makhumalo, we saw Makhumalo's umembeso, guys. Even the decor, everything. Even Macele's another anniversary was not beautiful like Makhumalo's umembeso. Guys, the Makhumalo's umembeso was very beautiful. Even she ran a loss. That's why God blessed Makhumalo with a lot of money. Even she can think that loss she ran on season 4. But on season 7, Makhumalo have got a lot of money. Or maybe Macele want to fix Makhumalo. I don't understand, guys. Because you can watch someone is spending her own money to have dresses, everything, but you know that you are not going to attend her wedding. Why she doesn't tell Makhumalo that I'm not going to attend your wedding, and that wedding it can't happen at time. Imagine, guys, you know that Musamseleku, he already knows that wedding is not going to happen, but he announced. That's why Musamseleku didn't do anything when Macele says that wedding can't happen. There is something we want to fix with my husband. You understand? So Musamseleku and Macele, they plan it before they came at dinner that you are the one who can talk about it first, and I have to answer that wedding is not going to be happen. So sometimes to be on polygamy is very difficult thing sometimes. If those wives, they don't want you. Musamseleku and Macele, the way they treat Makhumalo and the way they treat other wives, it's very bad. If you look at Macele when she is with Mangwabe, you can look, they've got a good relationship with Mangwabe and Mayeni. But when it comes to Makhumalo, all the time we saw Makhumalo and Macele, she was buying presents for Macele, everything. Macele doesn't like Makhumalo most of the time. But Makhumalo was the one who was forcing herself to be with Macele. That's why we saw Makhumalo changes on season 8. She doesn't want anything to do with Macele, or to ask Macele about to bring people in Musumbi about Makwela. Makhumalo now, she doesn't care. If Macele is angry or what, she doesn't care. You know that sometimes when you are too nice to people, other people are being rude to you. But I saw Makhumalo when she changed her voice on season 8. She doesn't want anything to play with her or to keep quiet. Even Mayeni, she doesn't play on her head, because sometimes they play on her head because of your to being good. Makhumalo, guys, Macele cancelled Makhumalo's wedding, but Makhumalo was keeping being a nice person to her. But you can be faded, guys. You can be tired to force relationship to a person who doesn't like you. That's why Makhumalo nowadays, if Macele can be angry or what, Makhumalo doesn't care. And Macele saw that Makhumalo changed her behavior. She doesn't care or what. even Musamseleku about Mayeni. Maybe Musamseleku was expecting Makhumalo to apologize to Mayeni's family. Makhumalo says she is not crazy.